Right then, this is going to be part 1 of my 2016 fireworks stash video. So starting off, got 3 packs of 8 rockets Star Striker by TNT Fireworks. Got 2 100 shot missile cakes, Screaming Demons by TNT. Got 4 boxes of Astro TNT Selection Box Fireworks. Got 2 Garden Delights. Got 3 Laugh Out Loud Selection Boxes by TNT. Got the new fire pack there from Lidl. Another box for Astro there, and another one. Moving along. Got Galileo TNT rockets, 8 rockets. We've got Night Shadow by Night Star Fireworks, or Firestar even, from Morrison's. We've got the Majestic Selection Box from Morrison's. We've got 3 packs of Loud and Clear shot tubes, that's 15 shot tubes. We have got 2 more missile cakes there, and a Gothic Lights Rico Fireworks cake. My race jacket, some of them. Another Galileo, another Night Shadow, Dance Floor Rocket Pack. So that's all of them for part 1. Bought quite a lot of boxes this year, as you can see. I'm quite a big fan of the selection boxes. A lot of TNT, Wico and standard fireworks. So yeah, that's part 1 of the video. Join me for part 2. Thanks for watching.